I'm sitting here today with Chris, and Chris is in from Wyoming. And Chris, we treated your back 7 years ago. You came to me and you had quite a bit of low back pain, and we determined that it was injuries that you sustained while you were active duty combat infantry. And we determined that you had some dehydrated discs, some desiccated discs, and we put bone marrow and fat stem cells into your lumbar discs. And why don't you tell us a little bit about what your pain was like before we did the treatment and how you've been these last 7 years?
Well, first, let me say, you just reminded me of something. You knew more about the spine and the dehydration and all that stuff you just mentioned than the 3 spinal surgeons I talked to. Let me get that point across. And then, so it was pretty bad. I was in a lot of pain, had to crawl to the bathroom several times, missing days of work, just not able to do a lot of stuff I did for search and rescue. And so I took the jump into this, and it was a big help. Changed a lot, but I think the important thing is you can't just rely on this to be a end-all be-all. You have to make sure you're eating healthy, you're exercising, you're stretching, the whole thing. You can't just take the magic pill and expect to be good.
Yeah.
But it definitely helps, and I also think I prolonged my quality of life and my healthiness overall, instead of just, maybe buying time, I guess is a good way to put it. But definitely huge improvement, and 3 of my friends have had it done, the same procedure, and they're all saying the same thing, so nothing but good things there.
That's great. That's great.
Back.
Yeah, when you came back for a different issue, we did your knees and shoulders, put some umbilical cord tissue in your knees and shoulders. Your back's still going strong, huh?
Yeah, back's still doing good. Yeah, like I said, you gotta stay up in the strength training stuff and stay healthy, and much better. This time I wasn't knocked out and didn't have to get drilled into my hip and liposuction. This was literally 5 minutes, if that.
Yeah.
Same thing, all the wear and tear from the combat world, and just kind of my lifestyle in general. My knees are wrecked, and hoping to, same thing, buy some more time and stay healthy and keep pushing, and just preventative maintenance, really.
That's right.
No different than a machine.
That's right. All right, great. I'm so happy for you. That's just terrific.
Thank you.
Yeah, okay. Thanks, Chris.